Right, the hard nose is now secured. Front grill's just tacked on to make it look good. This machine has come on leaps and bounds just by fitting that. Still lots to do though, but it's getting there bit by bit. I expect Barry Cosnell would be pleased with what we've done so far. Had the machine off him, so when this one is back into its PR markings and that, it's going to look good. So the next stages on them now really are the fan shroud and all the bits and pieces, coupling. I've got pipework, injectors and some various bits and pieces. Thermostat housing, it's going to be top hose. That goes onto there, thermostat housing. Got belts ordered. Breather pipe going to be done. Clutch brake, it's going to be inspected. Looks okay, might need just cleaning up and greasing on the shaft. Coupling shaft to fit. The wiring and the hydraulic pipe work. So the list is getting less. I would say she's done maybe 60% done now. There's a manifold on. I gotta get two studs. Two studs weren't any good really, so I gotta sort that out later on at 12 in the morning. Got that pipe gotta be tweaked again to go up there. But on the back end it's going to be rubbed down. The fuel tank is prepped and ready to fit, but I want to get the back end rubbed down first before that bit goes on. But she's definitely looking better, and looking much better. Pleased with that. So till next time.